It worked. The birds are back. They're eating the seeds. Oh, yay. Even there was one in this little bitty, no, he's gone from that little bitty feeder. But where are they? Where are they? They're out here. Oh, he's back. He's back. Can y'all see that? It's kind of dark. I don't know if you can see him in that feeder right there. There he is. That's a little one that I have hanging from the tree. Yay, yay. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're coming. Beautiful birds, beautiful birds. Oh, my hand is not steady, sorry. They are eating the new bird seeds. They're eating from the new bird feeder. I love it, I love it. They're drinking water. They're in that little bird bath. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I got birds, y'all. I put some in this little feeder that's hanging from the tree. And he's having a feast over here all by himself. And then, let me take you over here. They're eating from here as well with all those new bird seeds that I put in there. Where are they? Oh yeah, they're having a feast. Oh, right there. They're having a feast. They were even drinking the water or taking a bath. I got this little bitty bird feeder hanging from the tree. And this little bird, he's probably going to eat all the seeds. He has been there for a good 10 minutes. I haven't seen him fly away or any other bird come to this one. Yeah, it's so dark with that shadow out there. I do see one in that blue flat feeder. Oh, and one's in that little bitty feeder underneath the water. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to see because of that shadow from the shed. But they're coming in and out. Feasting, feasting, feasting. I'll check the bird seed in a couple days and see how much we got left.